minus $1.50. That was episode 5. We added RSI to a working strategy and it nearly wiped out everything we had built. But Claude told us exactly why it failed and gave us 4 things to try. This is what happened when we tried all 4. Quick recap. Episode 4 plus $108. We had a profitable strategy. Episode 5. We added RSI with the wrong settings. Win rate went up, but the filter was so aggressive it only allowed 11 trades in 6 months. Not enough to be profitable. Final result minus $1.50. Claude's verdict was clear. The RSI 50 threshold was too strict for the 15 minutes time frame. Most crossovers happen when RSI is already past 50. So the filter was blocking almost everything. 3 directions to try: relax the thresholds, change the period, flip the logic entirely. So we tested all of them. Here's the prompt. Our moving average crossover strategy on 15 minutes time frame gave us a 37.9% win rate and $108 profit. We added RSI 14 with threshold 50 and it came back at minus $1.50. Test these 4 variations: RSI period 7, RSI period 21, threshold 60 40, thresholds 40 60. Same backtest settings throughout. Show me which performs best and why. 4 variants, 1 prompt. Let's see what come back. Claude is running all 4 backtests simultaneously, testing every variant against the same 6 months of 15 minutes data, same starting balance, same lot size, comparing them all in one go. And here's what came back: 5 rows, 5 results. Let me walk you through them. RSI period 14, threshold 50, our episode 5 setting. 11 trades, minus $1.50. We already knew this one was broken. RSI period 7, threshold 50, faster period. Still only 11 trades. But win rate jumped to 63.6% and profit came in at plus $378. Interesting. But 11 trades is still a thin sample. RSI 21 period, 50 threshold. Slower period, only 8 trades, plus $296, even thinner sample. RSI 14 period, 40-60 threshold. Flipped logic, just 2 trades, 100% win rate, plus $270. Statistically meaningless, you can't trust 2 trades. And then RSI 14 period, 60-40 threshold, relaxed thresholds, 27 trades, win rate 51.9%, plus 388.50. That's the winner, and it's not close. And here it is visually. Look at this chart. 5 strategies racing against each other. The bar chart at the bottom tells the whole story. RSI period 14, threshold 50, barely registers at minus 2. And RSI period 14, 60-40 threshold, towers about everything else at plus $388. But here's what makes this result genuinely exciting. It's not just the highest profit. Every single metric improved simultaneously. Win rate up from 37.9% to 51.9%. Now winning more than half the trades. Max drawdown down from 3.8% to 2.8%. Less risk. Sample size 27 trades. Meaningful enough to trust. This is what we were looking for. The RSI filter works. We just add the wrong number. Claude explained why threshold 60-40 works where 50-50 didn't. Relaxing the buy threshold to 60 instead of 50 allows the strategy to catch 27 trades rather than just 11. Enough sample size to prove itself, while still filtering out the worst trades. It beats the no RSI baseline by 3.6 times on raw profit. Improves win rate, cuts drawdown. 3 key metrics improving at the same time. That's not luck. That's a genuine improvement. If you're finding this useful, hitting like helps YouTube show this to more people who would find it useful too. And here's the equity curve for the winning variant on its own. You can see it says in profit zone almost throughout. The line is smoother than the baseline. The individual trade bars show wins that are noticeably bigger than the losses. This is what a strategy starting to work actually looks like. Code is pushed to GitHub as always. Link in the description. All 5 variants are there if you want to run them yourself. That's episode 6. We went from minus $1.50 to plus $388 by changing one number, the RSI threshold, from 50 to 60 on buys and 40 on sells. But here's the thing, 6 months of data told us this strategy works. So in episode 7, we tested it on 3 years and everything changed. See you on Sunday.